at some point these two drivers have shared a front row or looked at a front row together. Have they ever done something quite like this in a World Championship? Into the tram lines, eyes on the lights, do they go out? They do, we're racing once again in OK Junior. Good start for Baglin, good start for Drew Ropes as well. Jacob Ashcroft has kept himself in the front runners there in about third, maybe fourth place. Good start from Noah Baglin, but here comes Wolf down the inside. Baglin, beautiful defence around the outside, left the lane on the inside there, just pinched Drew Waltz down onto the apex. That's allowed Jacob Ashcroft back through and Kip Bobovsky up third. You saw there one of the Koskis going wide. That was Casper Reipold, and there's more drama at hairpin number 2. Two drivers off the track. It's the 240 and the 250 going no further. Thomas Gender, one of them. Remy Samchek, the other. Out of this race. Eyes on the front though. Baglin in control at the front. Checks over the shoulder. Can see Ashcroft is there in second place, but is under pressure from the driver behind Kip Bobovsky. Looking to go for the move there into the Green Ferrari. Yes, it is denied as Baglin goes defensive. Opens up the inside. Second place. Sometimes around this circuit, a bit of a bunching effect can be your best friend as all. Very close, standing a little bit of tyre smoke there on the run into the Fullerton S's. Alec Vostianis is through into third place. Harrison Mackie is also on the scene, is up into the top 5. Now he's going to find a way past his teammate Kip Bobovsky. Two long-term runners within the history of Fusion Motorsport, potentially going to go wheel to wheel here, but Baglin, his lead is over second. It is, but I think Ashcroft found himself another buddy. No, he doesn't have words away there because they've got a nice long kick in it. But now Giannis is going to go defensive because Ashcroft is trying to get it back. Ashcroft now repeats the favour. He says, right, go, go, go. But after, Giannis just thrown the dummy and done the exact opposite of what he wanted, he's going to go defensive because he doesn't trust that Ashcroft will stay there behind. Yeah, it's all parts of the gamesmanship here in OK Junior. The pace, though, is good. They've broken away from Sulfikari, who's leading the next group behind. Sulfikari's worked himself up from when it's going to start. Started on the fourth row of the grid, so gain of 2 right now for Sulfikari to 6th place. Jaguars the Trojan also gaining out there up to 4th, so that's the Mims at 6th, and that's all the people in the top 12. The two Fusions now both get past the energy core of Ashcroft as he goes down into P5 now, but it's not the end of the world. So Bakari is there behind, and he's still in contention with these drivers now to latch onto the back of them. Indeed, the hopes are not lost for any of these 4 right now. They're a good couple of laps, and they'll be back onto the tail of Alec Mostiaris. There's fights going on in the middle of the pack there as Mins has gone through. So that's Mins back up into the top 10 now. End of lap 4. Warning flag for 2 on 4 on Kip Bobovsky. Baglin leads by 0.47, but big lap just went in there from James Addercroft Road. That's good for 5th place. And the rear, but again, he's going to have to fight forward because again, Ashcroft has got the outside line. He'll get the switch back here. They'll go wheel to wheel as Sulfikari will go defensive on it, but Ashcroft keeps his car right there. And we takes that position. Absolutely superb drive there for Jacob Ashcroft. But he leaves the door open into Bobby Kay. The two make contact, but amazingly, Ashcroft holds on to that one, but not in the second half. As the two make even more contact, and backwards goes Ashcroft. through goes Waltz as well, and he's now got the Persian mint Rasmussen or Rifle right behind it. I don't think either driver will be happy with that. That's that phase of play went through the Mike Wilson. Of Anagnostiadis. I think this is just a question now. When does Anagnostiadis make the move? Does he play it a little bit longer? What is the pace of the Fusions like at the moment? Both of the 56.4s are Belovsky and Mackie. This will be the end of lap 6 in a few moments' time. We saw with Roman Kamyab a few races ago making the move on the penultimate lap. Turned out to be a winning deal. Order off the circuit there, the 315 tumbling down the order. That is Marco Manson, unfortunately, for the Forza Race team, going no further. Actually, I think it's already seen this, actually, the flag a little bit small on my screen. Change to the move, and it goes to the race. Now back in down to second. Everyone on the behind. That was quite a nicely orchestrated switch between Anagnostiadis and Baghlin. Baghlin, this is what's impressing me with Noah Baghlin now compared to, say, the start of the season when we were in Valencia. I would say he's one of the most matured drivers across the course of the season. The start of the year he was scrappy, he was getting involved in things that were a little bit unnecessary. He's now thinking bigger picture. He's now thinking, you know what, if I can't win these races, Peter will do. That's a good haul of points, especially when it's so tight here this weekend. It's not done yet because Belovsky is closing in. Anagnostiadis disappearing off the front. Baglin's going to have to work hard again to keep this second place, but he's not earlier in the year. No, he's certainly is going to try. Now he's losing time to Belovsky. Belovsky's going to get the switch back here. The two goes into the wheel, banging all the way down into the walls with Bulletin S's. And well, Baghlin just absolutely denied there Belovsky the chance to get through. And now Harrison Mackie gets up into third place. Belovsky's backed out of it completely on this final lap. But James Anagnostiadis absolutely fine and clear. He will take the checker flag. He will take the win across the line. From Baghlin, Belovsky in fourth place from Harrison Mackie. Drama on the infield section there as backwards gone the 319 of William Sveda as well. The Brazilian driver going no further in the final lap of this race.